day mga paps. So welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will say now goodbye to our cute na hotel here in Kuala Lumpur, an Ayu Hotel. And excited na to transfer sa ating medyo malaki na hotel, Eton Residence. And kung hindi niyo pa napanood yung ating video about Ayu Hotel, the complete room tour and hotel overview, just click the link in the description box para if ever na plano nyo rin pumunta rin sa Kuala Lumpur, this is the cheapest hotel you can find here in KL. And by the way, before we check out, we explore Petaling Street, which is a walking distance lang mula sa Ayu Hotel. We tried the famous Air Mataksing. Itong parang juice na to na parang sagot gulaman, pero ang laman ay I think ang laman ay longgan in sugar caramel juice. And then another famous na parang must try dito sa Petaling Street ay yung Kim Soya bean. Taho.
Taho na lasang.
So after exploring Petaling Street, we are now on our way to our new hotel in Eton Residence. Nag-grab na lang kami, which cost us around 15 RM. And by the way, we decided na for the last 2 days and 1 night here in KL, transfer tayo ng hotel, medyo mas malaki na hotel, and with rooftop pool and with overview of the Petronas Tower. So excited. But actually, this is really not a hotel. It's more like an Airbnb, pero nabook namin through Agoda. And as usual, gagawin uli natin to ng room tour and property overview and including all the amenities. So watch out for it. Mailbox area.
Meron na.
1812. Mailbox 1812. Hala, si Babes nag-aagaw ng bag. Room 10, 11. Ito? 12. Hindi, Costco. Magluto. So, it's time now to enjoy the rooftop pool, which is located at the 51st floor of this residence. Hello.
Meron din doon, pero mas mataas amin. Wow, the full view up. Petronas Tower.
Kapla kayo. Against the sun.
Hindi, wala namang problema to kahit against the sun to.
Kaya pagkondo mo, mga
Castillo Tower, the Merdeka Tower. Okay, this is a perfect place para mag-shout out sa mga nagpapa-shout out yan. Shout out kay Sir Marks ng Team G. Para sa ito.